to school to learn, girl, things you never knew before. Like I before E except after C. Why 2 + 2 makes 4. Na na na. I'm gonna teach you all about love, girl. Sit yourself down, take a seat. All you gotta do is repeat after me.
A, B, C, easy as 1, 2, 3. Oh, simple as do, re, mi. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Baby, you and me, girl. A, B, C, easy as 1, 2, 3. Oh, simple as do, re, mi. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Baby, you and me, girl. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Baby, you and me, girl.
And how did Dog support you in taking care of you and the baby during the first month, most especially?
Dog is a very supportive husband. Even when he was my boyfriend pa lang, yun yung isa sa mga traits na gustong-gusto ko sa kanya. Parang he's very helpful, very considerate, tsaka pag meron mga things na nami-miss out niya, masasabi mo sa kanya na hindi siya napipikon. So, with the baby, what do you call that, taking turns with Kendra, he was as enthusiastic as every mother would be when changing the diapers. Kasi diba, usually yung mom lang nakaka-feel ng saya na
excitement.
Diba? Yung mga dads nga, okay, sige go. Siya, as in, parang siyang girl, excited din siya, gano'n. Tapos excited din siya pagkarga niya. And hindi siya natatakot. So that was really nice. So,
But as a couple, ano yung nagbago sa buhay niyo in terms of priorities, schedules, places that you go to? Do you still date?
Of course. Ako kasi I'm a firm believer na you shouldn't forget yourself just because you're married, just because you have a baby. You also take care of yourself. You also make yourself look attractive for your husband. You also try your best to feel good for your baby, diba? Yung parang your energy should also be up, diba? So for me, yung mga dati namin ginagawa pa rin namin. Pero siguro hindi na kami umuwi na masyadong late. Hindi na kasing as often. But you know, there are many ways naman to make your marriage exciting. And you know, married life is talagang for me I can honestly say I'm a happy mommy and a happy wife.
Sino ba mas spoiler sa inyo? Ikaw o si Dog? Pareho. In what way?
Kasi gusto namin kinakarga siya. We love to kiss her.
Which is good, hugging and kissing.
You know, even if she doesn't understand it, what we're saying, every day we tell her that we love her. Tapos, syempre pag baby pa, hindi mo naman iisipin na it's important to them na ikikiss mo silang goodbye pag aalis ka. Pero sa amin, we do that.
Now, what about parenting style? How do you differ in parenting style, kayo ni Dog? And how are you alike pagdating sa parenting style? Do you ever talk about it as in formally, o ganito tayo as parents, ganyan? It just came out naturally.
I think with Doug and I, we basically jive. The things that concern-wise, we're the same with that. What do you call that? Values, discipline, I think we're the same in that. It's just that I think I am more...
Are you stricter? Do you think you'll be stricter?
I think I'm more stricter, yeah. I think I'm more of the disciplinarian. Especially, keeping yourself tidy. I'm very, kasi...
Are you an OC?
Yung hygiene is an issue for me. So, I like to do things properly. So, for me, before you hold the baby, alcohol. Before you wash your hands. Even...
Ako rin ganun ako When I just gave birth to Antonia, tinatanong ko talaga yung mga relatives, alcohol ka ba? Before nila hawakan yung baby, ganun.
Tsaka pag kung may gustong dumalaw, straight out, sabihin ko, are you sick? Because if you're sick,
do
it some other time.
Kung may sipon ka, wag.
Tsaka for the moms out there, huwag kayo mahiya.
So ngayon pa lang ba pinag-uusapan niyo na ni Dog? Paano niya papalakihin si Kendra? Future ni Kendra?
Of course, we already know parang yung school na where we want her to go to, and then we we have an idea already how we want Kendra to be. But of course, we want Kendra to grow up the way she freely. And then from there, we just correct lang the little things, diba? Na dapat feeling namin dapat i-correct. But we don't wanna impose.
So would you like her to be an actress and a host like you, or an athlete like the dad?
Diba? If she wants to, kung ano yung gusto niya, basta everything at its proper time.
Are you saving or investing na for Kendra?
Yes, we have we have savings na will be for her, and then of course we're also looking to insurances, ganyan, just to prepare and secure her future.
Siyempre tayo mga parents, Cheska, we need a little help from friends, from mother-in-law, from our own mothers,
Yes.
diba? So, what advice ang nabibigay nila sa'yo na pinaka-helpful sa'yo at this stage? Let's start with your own mom.
My mom, ano ba?
May binibigay. Some mommies hindi ma-verbal, ha? Some
My
just do it through action.
My mom kasi she's hindi yan ma-impose. Pag hindi ako magtatanong, hindi yan magsasuggest.
Hindi nagbibigay unsolicited advice.
Yes, exactly. Kasi ako, I like to do things on my own. I like to discover things on my own.
Yeah.
So, kung meron lang ako mga, Mommy, was I like this when I was a little girl? Dun lang siya mag-aano. O kaya, pag meron akong kinakwento sa kanya, ay, ganyan na ganyan ka rin nung baby ka. Yung ganun lang. Pero hindi siya yung sabi niya, bakit ginawa ka yung baby ganyan? Dapat ganito. Wala siyang ganon. Parang she lets me do things freely.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm her daughter, but she lets me be the mom that I want to be.
Mother-in-law.
My mother-in-law naman,
The in-laws.
hindi mapakialam.
Okay.
Perfect mother-in-law. As in perfect. Kasi, di ba, sometimes, may mga problemang hindi mo ma-avoid rin. Yung mother-in-law ko, hindi siya ganon. Actually,
So she lets you be then.
Yeah, she lets me be. But of course, to my mom and to my mother-in-law,
What about friends?
my
Friends your age na may ganyan ding mga baby na halos ka-age ni Kendra. Do they give advice?
they do rin siguro mga, check, baka mas maganda pag eto yung pantulog na gagamitin mo para hindi masyado mainit. Or this would, yung mga ganun lang. Pero because with my friends, I was always in a way motherly. So parang alam na nila na wag na natin itong pakialaman kasi alam niya na yung gagawin niya.
So, susundan niyo pa ba si Kendra?
Oo naman, susundan namin. Pero siguro in mga 2 years or 3 years the most.
How many kids pa?
2.
2 hanggang 2 lang talaga.
Gusto ko nga
Ayaw mo
lang
basketball team?
Hindi.
Is there a reason why? Iba kasi ayaw nilang tumaba ng tumaba. Iba, parang ganun.
For me,
Oo.
parang I'm the type na, how do I say ba yung ugali ko kasi? Ugali ko yung parang everything has to be in control.
Mas makokontrol mo pag dalawa lang.
Pag dalawa, kailangan lahat ayos, mga ganyan.
Did you gain weight when you got pregnant? I gained 52 pounds. How many pounds did you gain? Always
I
an
was
issue.
94 pounds when I got pregnant. When I gave birth, I was 145.
What did you eat when you were pregnant?
Ay,
That's why you gained all
nako.
the weight. Ano yung ano mo?
Pwede ba ako mag-bench ng restaurant?
Pwede, sobrang sarap siguro dyan.
Ang favorite ko, Pancake House. Naku,
So,
sobrang
pancake ang
favorite.
kinain mo?
Eto
Or
na,
tacos? Ano ba?
Nag-order ako ng favorite ko kasi hanggang ngayon spaghetti na.
Okay.
So, 1 big spaghetti yung order ko. 3 tacos. Tapos isang buong waffles.
Oh my God.
Tapos
Daily ba
nag-shoot
yan?
ako.
Hindi mo siguro daily yan.
Halos everyday, sabi nga ni Dog sa akin, Pancake House na naman! Ganyan. So, favorite ko talaga yun. Tapos, ano pa,
Vegetables or fruits or anong healthy stuff naman na kinain mo nun?
vegetables, fruits. I always had a lot of fruits. Yan. Tapos, si Doug kasi, ano yan pag naubos na yung mga fruits sa amin sa bahay, magdadala na yung mga fruits. Iba-ibang mga fruits yung papataste sa akin. So, yun. So, madami akong fruits. I drank a lot of mga fruit shakes, mga ganyan.
So, how did you lose the weight after?
Well,
Hirap yun, 50 plus pounds. So.
I asked my pedia when I was I asked my OB when I was a little bit okay na what are the things that I can do and cannot do.
Okay.
Maybe I can do some walking or getting sa mga moms na hindi pa pwedeng maglakad mag-exercise talaga. The mere fact na you're carrying your baby, walking around, getting active, doing small chores in your house is already a form of exercise.
You burn calories na.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kesa naman nakahiga lang kayo, talaga wala kayong mababurn. So, what I did was, when Kendra was born, pag uwi namin, nakarga-karga ko siya. I do little chores at home. Tapos, nung pwede na, I ask my OB, ano bang mga pwede kong gawin? Walking, pwede. Siguro, treadmill, pero wag masyado mabilis. Yan. Tapos ngayon, 2 months na ako, nagsiswimming ako, naglalaps ako, pero no diving.
What about food? So that's for exercise,
Ay,
walking.
Hindi ko talaga kaya. For me,
What did you stop eating and what did you start eating?
I did not
Ganyan.
stop eating anything.
You still eat pancakes and tacos and
But not I did not stop anything naman. I just reduced the amount.
Okay, half portion lang. Or 3/4.
Yeah, 3/4, mga ganyan.
So, mas may pressure ba sa'yo to go back to your 95-pound frame?
No, you know what, for me,
Oo.
I've completely embraced motherhood.
So, what should we expect from you, Cheska? Na
I'll definitely go back to work, but that's why we have to discuss about it. Kasi hindi naman as a single pa ako na accept lang na accept. I want naman na every day, nandun naman ako to see my daughter, to make sure that, I get to appreciate the new changes in her. That's important rin. Kahit na 2 months lang siya, 3 months. I think those everyday moments, dun mo makikita yung changes niya eh.
So, medyo out mo ng movie space and all that.
I will always have to consult my husband with it.
Yeah,
Diba? That's the nice thing about motherhood, being a wife, is that there's a certain peace. Yung parang peace of mind. And it's important that you also have a husband who's very supportive and who's enjoying your role as well. Diba? Hindi yung pressured, he's doing it because it's nandiyan na eh. But he's also enjoying it. He also prepared himself. So, that's why for me, happy ako na gano'n.
I hope you don't find this corny, but I want you to talk to Kendra now and, just give her a short message on how she is and how you want to be a mother to her.
Well, with Kendra, I love her very much. And the moment that I conceived her, I stopped everything that I was doing. Would you believe before I was smoking? And then when I conceived Kendra, I quit everything. Yun yung mga things sa akala mong hindi mo magagawa kasi you're so used to doing those things. And I want my daughter to know na there were things that I stopped for her, mga gimmick-gimmick ko, ganyan, and I instantly grew up and, became a mommy. And I will always be here for her to support her. And every day ko naman sinasabi, kahit you don't understand it, I love you very much.
To dog.
I'm a very blessed wife because I have a handsome and understanding and really a husband who's like my best friend or who is my best friend. And I hope that you remain that way. And I like that you are your own man. You're not influenced by friends. You're not influenced by things outside, but you're influenced by how a family should be and what concerns your wife and what should be.
Thank you, Cheska, and thank you, Kendra.
Thank you.
And thank you to the Lancaster Suites for providing us the venue for our taping this episode. Thank you. First time yan sa Parenting.tv lumabas ang mag-ina after niya mga anak. Ito for Kendra, para titigil na siya sa pag-iyak. Chocolates. Kahit di ba siya pwede, no? Hindi, kasi terno eh.
Oh,
for you and for you. Don't cry. Okay. And a book for Kendra. Nursery Rhymes. And gift from Baby Company, our sponsor. And EQ, dahil every 2 hours nagpapalit ng diaper. Okay, pero large to eh. Medyo hintayin pa natin lumaki si Kendra. Ayan. EQ, thank you very much to all our sponsors. And thank you, Cheska.
Thank you very much.
Sa ulitin.
Yes, next baby.
Ay, wow, meron na agad appointment kami. May booking na kami. So I know you're enjoying motherhood to a health. So enjoy it even more. It changes and defines all of us, di ba?
Yes,
So
true.
happy parenting.
Thank you.
Yes, I'll see you again, parents, here on Parenting.tv.
ABC, easy as 1, 2, 3. Oh, simple as do, re, mi. ABC, 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me, girl.